Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Argavan and I'm pediatric dentist with almost 7 years of experience. And I'm currently working in Mid Clinic in City Walk. And I wanted to say a great thank you to CAP organization for such an amazing event. This is not the first time that I'm with CAP. And always, it's great. And again, I wanted to say a special thanks to Dr. Laurie Johnson from America, and today it was a workshop for New Smile Company, and it was great. And I wanted to say that it's not important how much you're expert, and it's so good to be up to date and get familiar to what is new. Today we were talking about lots of things that even for me, after 6 or 7 years working as a pediatric dentist, was new. So I do really suggest to all of my friends and my colleagues to come to these events and try to be up to date. And again, thank you for everything. Bye. Have a nice day.